Hey everybody, Zach here and welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about Cardano. Should you be buying Cardano right now? And here's the thing with Cardano and where it currently sits price-wise. I usually don't recommend buying assets at the top, right? Our motto here on the channel is buy low, sell high. And of course, buy the dips. But with Cardano, things are a little bit different because we know that there are major catalysts right around the corner, and we also know that institutional money is coming into Cardano by way of the Grayscale Trust, and we believe that trend will continue. We believe that other institutions will follow in line and do what Grayscale is already doing. The fact that Grayscale already has 4% of Cardano in their overall portfolio is massive for the number 3 most popular cryptocurrency by market cap. That's right, Cardano has flipped BNB again, and they're sitting in that number 3 spot as, again, they set new all-time highs just today. So we're going to take a look at where Cardano is in this video. We're also going to talk about a huge event coming up at the end of September, about a month away for Cardano, that you yourself can attend for totally $0, zero amount of money. It's totally free to join. We're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about in this video, should you get in? Right, I know everybody wants to know if they're not yet in Cardano, or if you're like me who already has a position that is pretty low, right? I'm already sitting in there at $1.02, $1.15, $1.20 is where I've added on multiple areas where I've added on to Cardano. Should I be adding more? I'm going to talk about that in this video, and then obviously what you'll get out of it is, you can assess your current situation, where you are in terms of your Cardano holdings, if you have any, and if you should get in. All right, so all that in this video. And anybody who's dropping by for the first time, hopefully you get some value, and subscribe to the channel. And everybody watching this video, give the video a thumbs up if at any time you get some value. Would appreciate that. Also, love to hear from you in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on ADA? Give me your price prediction down there on Cardano too after you watch this video. Or pause it, put it down there, however you want to do it. So before we bounce into it, let's just jump into the supporter and insider levels. This is our private community. I won't spend a ton of time here because that was a long intro already, but go check this out. Great community building. That link is down in the description, and we'd love for you to join us. Okay, so with that being said, Cardano, let's take a look at the charts. Right now up 5%. The overall market pulling back a little bit today, but Cardano doesn't care. It is moving forward today and moving up. As you can see, the trading volume is up 21%. Market cap is up over $82 billion now on Cardano, which is absolutely insane. It's got 4% of the market dominance. And what does Grayscale have in their trust? 4%. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? All right, so let's bounce into that event before I get into if and when you should buy. This is Cardano's website. If you scroll down on their website, you'll see some interesting things about the ecosystem. But what you'll also find is a link that will take you over here, Cardano Summit. So if you just go to summit.cardano.org, you can get there that way too, summit.cardano.org. Cardano Summit 2021 will be our biggest ever. It is a mix of virtual and live events from around the world on September 25th and the 26th. The whole world is invited, and it's free. You could simply register here right on their website, and you will get a virtual ticket, I believe, if you want to join this event. And I don't know how it works if you want to actually be there live in person. I don't know if we have access to that, but go check this out if you want to join the Cardano Summit. Now let's take a look at TradingView. Take a look at where Cardano is right now, and we've got to find it here on the charts. I'll pull this up here. Dogecoin sitting at 31 cents, by the way. SHIB slightly down right now. Bitcoin Ether also just pretty flat today. We're waiting to see kind of what happens with the overall market. A lot of consolidation, which is okay. Usually on the weekends things sell off, but right now we're just seeing pretty minimal movement up and down. But Cardano, as I mentioned, it's up 5% and moving higher right now. So here it was at the top, setting new all-time highs at $2.65. Cardano has looked super impressive. How about this down here? On the 18th, 4 days ago, we were at $1.95, and now you're at $2.57. All right, so let's get into if and when you should buy Cardano. So should you get in right now? And at the end of this video, we're going to take a look at a really important article that actually was published a month ago that is coming to fruition. Be on the lookout for that at the end of this video. But here's where I stand. And this is the way I'm thinking about Cardano right now. Pretty much everybody around the industry believes we're going somewhere between $5 to $8 by the end of the year here with Cardano. All right, so with that in mind, if you're not, if you don't yet have a position in Cardano and you're sitting here at $2.56, you can pretty much say with a relative amount of confidence, that you could double up your money by getting in right now. At $2.56, you're looking at just over $5, about $5.50. Okay. Wait, no, 250 times 2 is $5.20. $5.20 would essentially allow you to double up if you bought in right now at the time of this recording. However, if you're planning on holding this for the long term, we could be seeing upwards to $10 to $20 in 2022. That's the type of gains we could be seeing here with Cardano. As I've mentioned many times on the channel, Cardano is my second largest holding to Ethereum, and it's going to remain that way for quite some time. Now, it is one that I will be hanging on to for the long term. So myself, my position right now, I mentioned that at the top, $1.02, $1.20 range, a couple different spots in there. I'm okay adding on to my position right here because I know that I'm holding it for the long term. I'm eyeing $10, $20 down the line. So yes, boosting my average a little bit, hurts me a little bit. I wish I shoulda, coulda, woulda bought the dip even more on Cardano, but I spent a lot of money and a lot of time looking into Cardano, and that's why some of the other assets I haven't been able to add on or even open up a position in, but I'm okay with that because I believe in ADA, and I believe where we're heading here is going to be massive in the future. And here's where I sit in terms of you. If you've not opened up a position and you don't want to hold this for the long term, say you just want to get a quick gainer here, I still say this is a pretty good buy right now, okay? Because I still say in the short term we're heading to $5, $6. If you want to double up your money and actually your position and put that back into Bitcoin or Ethereum or something like that, I don't hate that idea either. There are multiple ways to skin a cat. There are multiple ways to make money in crypto. And I'm just trying to feed you some of the various options that you have. But a lot of people stress over, I should have bought the dip 4 days ago when it was $1.95 and dang it, I missed it. Well, it really depends on where your exit strategies are. This is why I always say it's so important to build out your exit strategies before you invest. What do you want to get out of this trade? What is your exit strategy? Is it $5? Is it $6? Is it $7? Take all of that in consideration, and hopefully this can help you make the best decision for you when you're investing or not investing in Cardano, ADA. All right, so before we get out of here, I want to show you an old article that I actually dug up that I've actually showed on this channel around a month ago, which is kind of crazy, and I want to resurface this. Long-term crypto investors should have Cardano in their wallets. Published July 21st, 2021. And at the time of that article, where was Cardano? Did they mention it? Let's see. It was below $1, I believe. Let's see. July, we got to go back to July, right? So let's see where we were, July 21st. Here, let's go to the 1 day. Bear with me here. We're going to get there. Where were we back on July 21st? Actually, here, we might be able to get there quicker right here, right? July 21st. How about this? July 21st. Look at that. It was $1.16, basically, okay? $1.15. Great buying opportunity. We were telling people over at our private community, Cardano's under, I remember this, Cardano's under $1.20, great buy. And here we are sitting at $2.56 just a month later. So let that be a little bit of a sales pitch for our private community. And you don't have to join, obviously, but we've got over 100 members. We'd love for you to come check us out over there. But thank you so much for the support here on the channel and watching the videos. Again, I want to hear from you in the comment section. Take care. Let me know your thoughts on ADA down below. See you in the next video.